We just completed our global footer, and we have to move towards our about page. Okay, so we have to build this first, and then we're gonna move on to the next page, and that is contact page. So click on edit page, and then let's start building this. Okay, click on edit with Elementor, and this is the header that we need to build first. Okay, so in order to build this, we need a section, and there will be two columns where we are going to have this breadcrumb and this title. So that's it. So before doing anything, let me hide this title first, page title. Grab this thing and build our header. Copy this about us text first. Grab your heading and just drag it just like this way. And then we have to change its typography. Go to the typography and change its font size. Let's say 30, and that's enough. After it, you may decrease the size, or you may have and that's it. You may increase font weight, and that's it. Or I wanted to keep it simple, so 500 is enough. Okay, and that's it. After that, as we can see that our this section is having a background, very lightweight background, as well as a breadcrumb over here. Okay, so here this is called a breadcrumb. Okay, I am not able to pronunciate it, breadcrumb. Okay, so we have to include our breadcrumb as well. Okay, so just drag it in this way. Search for the bread, BRED, WooCommerce breadcrumbs, as IOSEO breadcrumb. I don't know what exactly you can call it. Okay, and then let's say that's it. Okay, after that, you may want to include some margin, padding, whatever you want. Okay, and let me try another breadcrumb, that is WooCommerce breadcrumb. Okay, so this is the WooCommerce breadcrumb. We can also include this. Okay, and both of the things are same, so let me remove this one, and here we can see that this breadcrumb is little bit better. Okay, so now we can change our font size. Okay, so let's say 15 or 18 is enough. After that, we can add some font weight, let's say 500, and not 500, 400 is enough. Reduce its size, let's say 15, 16, and that's enough. After that, you may want to change its typography, so change its typography, and if you want to change its color, you may. So text color must be and link color, so this is the link color, we need to change it as well. So let me see first. Okay, so that's it. So we need to change it to the primary. Okay, and that's it. After that, I want to take it to the right in this way. Okay, and that's it. Take it to the center, and it's done. After that, let's click on it and take it to the middle and center. Do the same thing with this breadcrumb, take it to the center, and that's it. and you may need to include a background. So I'll gonna include the same background, same type of background, and after that we need to include some margin, not from top to bottom, we need to include some padding. Okay, so let's have some padding in this way. So just remove it first, click on it and include some padding from top to bottom. Okay, let's say 7 from top, 7 from bottom, and that's it. Now we are done with it. After that we can easily save it, but before doing anything let me include a very lightweight border. Okay, so this is the border and I want a very solid border first and lightweight, very lightweight border. Okay, this at this, like this way. Okay, and after that the width that I want is 0.4. okay, but I don't want it on right, sorry, I don't want my border on right as well as on left. I don't want my border in this way. Okay, now we can see that 0.4 is enough. Okay, now we have this header, and that's it. You may do it in this way. Okay, now it will gonna look little bit different, and let's say not 0.4, 0.6 is enough. And let me see first how it will gonna look like. And here we can see that we are having very beautiful very beautiful header with a breadcrumb. Okay, after that we need to add this our story. In order to do that, just click on it, and first before doing anything what I want to do, basically I want to globalize it. Okay, global services header. Okay, global services page header, let's say header. Okay, and why I'm saving it in this way, because I will gonna use it in future. Okay, so I'll gonna use it in some of other pages, like on maybe on blog page, on contact page. So basically that's why I'm including it in this way. Okay, and after that let's have this, click on it, go to the advanced, and let's have some padding and margin. Okay, and that's it. Let's say 30, only 30, not that much. After that we need to include h1, h2 or h3, and then we need to have a paragraph. So let's say our story, copy this whole content and do the same thing that you have done with your that's it, our story. And if you wanted to do the same thing, let's say 18, not 18, let's say 25, and that's it, our story is looking good. And after that you may want it to have same typography, or let's say include only primary. Okay, and I want to have it only 500, and reduce the size first, let's say not that much, 23, 24 is enough, and that's it. After that we need a text editor where we can add our text. Copy this whole content in this way and paste inside it. And here we can see that this content is little bit darker, and the typography of this content is also changed. So take it to the secondary or primary, and then you may reduce the size, let's say 15, and that's it. So we can see that we are having the same font, okay, and the thing we need to change its color. So yeah, that's it. Now it is looking perfect. So after that we need to include this section. We have to focus on it, on this section. So let's come and have a heading, and as well as, so basically both of the things with the, you know, have the same font family and same font size. So let's include in this way. So copy it and paste it in this way. Yeah, that's it. After that we need a divider. Now here you can see that this divider is perfect. Change its color and do not have any gap. Click on it once, click on it and reduce its margin, top margin, and that's it. After it, click on it and click on it. First, what we need to do, we have to go to the border and copy this color, and I want to have a global setting of this particular thing. So click on it, go to the site setting, and basically we have to add this global color first, because we don't want to add it many times. So for the accent, I want to include this thing, and this is the border color, okay, and this color we are going to use, okay. And after that, let's update it, and you also include your background color as well, okay. So I'm not going to do that right now, but yeah, you may. So after that, let me do one more thing, and that is we have to change its color, like divider color first. So come in this way and do. Now we successfully created it, okay. After that we have to add our things in this way, okay. There's a icon, there's a text, and there's a paragraph, okay. So copy it. We need one section with 3 columns, okay. And what I'm looking for, actually box, icon box as well as image box. I need a icon box first. For this icon, we can have regular icons and whatever you want to include, okay. Let's say a car, or let's say shop, or truck, okay, truck, yeah. This is the truck that we are going to use, and that's it. Take it to the right in this way, and you may have all of these things in this way, okay. And after that, let's say S4, and that's enough. Let's say S3 is enough, okay. And we have to change its spacing first. Size is enough. Let's say 45 is enough, okay. We don't need to rotate it. And title spacing, if you want to have any title spacing, you may. So let's change its. Okay, so this is the title, and both are the colors are same. Okay, so basically go to the content first and change the content, then change its paragraph in this way, and after that just go and do the same thing with it. For the content you have to go to the typography and change its size first. So I think you have to change its weight. 500 is enough, then 25 is also good. Yeah, that's it. After that we don't need to do anything. Let's say 25 or 24 is enough. Okay, and that's it. After that, line height, if you want to have some line height, you may. Okay, so let's say that is enough. Okay, letter spacing, we don't need any letter spacing. We are done with it. We need to change our description, take it to the secondary. Okay, we have to change its size, and then we have to focus on other things like letter spacing. So let's say line height definitely will gonna matter, or let's say do not include any line height, and that's it. After that we can see that this particular thing is on the top. We have to take it to the center first. Go to the style, and we don't need any styling right now. Click on it, give some top margin and bottom margin same. Go to the padding, and that's it. Now we can see that we have 28 padding, left, right, top to bottom, and that's it. Okay, so now it is looking good. After that we need to replicate it, so I'm going to replicate it in this way around 3 times, and let's delete it. Okay, after that you have to add 100% money back guarantee. Go and add this, and we need to include a $sign, or you can say like rupee. I need to include this one, and that's it. After it we have to change this one, and that is going to be like headphone, HEAD, and this is the headphone that we are going to use. And for this, let's say online support 24/7. Change its text, and you are done with it. Now it is looking good. Let's see. Yeah, everything is aligned and perfectly aligned, and that's it. So after that we need to focus on some of other things. So let's focus on our top brands. Okay, click on it, just copy it, and let's have this particular thing in this way, and let's replicate it first. Okay, take it to the and that's it. After that let's say our top brands, and both are the things are same. and that's it. After that, we need to include all of these things that we are seeing here. Okay, so in order to include your images, you must need to include a gallery, and that's it. So search for the gallery. Okay, GALLERY, and this is the basic gallery that we are going to implement. So let's drag this gallery in another section. We are not going to use the same gallery. Oh, okay, same section. Okay, so in order to use it, I'm gonna include some of the files that I'm having on my desktop. So these are the files that we need to include. So let's drag all of these files, and later I'll gonna change it, but right now I'm showing you. So yeah, that's why I'm including all of these things into my gallery. And let's wait, and now we are done with it. Okay, so 15 by 15, and that's it. Create a new gallery and insert it. Now we are having this beautiful gallery, but our image is not good. So click on full, and make sure that you always include images in this way. So like every image that you are including in this gallery, make sure that dimension of those images are perfect. So that's why you don't need any light box. Suppose if someone click on it, it will gonna open in a very big screen. So I don't want that first. And then spacing must be custom. Yeah, that's it. And after that, yeah, we need a border, and that's it. So the border color is going to be like this way. Okay, and we are going to have a 0.8 border, and we are done with it. Yeah, that's it. This is how you can easily do that. Now let's update it and see our website. Click on preview changes, and here you can see that these things are perfectly aligned and looking very beautiful. This is also looking beautiful because this is coming over, I mean this is coming to the middle, and this is looking also good. You may be thinking that why it is not aligned, but I think that it is looking good because this is different from both of these two. Okay, and now here we can see that this is our top brands, and yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching, guys, and into the next tutorial we are going to focus on our contact section, and that's it. So bye bye, take care, and see you in the next session.